already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give, I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me.